Welcome to my YouTube channel, where today we're going to talk about the latest feature in the world's most popular messaging app, WhatsApp. If you're an Android user, you'll be thrilled to know that WhatsApp now allows you to link your account to another Android device. This is a game-changing feature that has been long awaited by users and is finally available. In this video, we'll explore how this new feature works, how to set it up, and what it means for your messaging experience. So, let's dive in and explore the new WhatsApp feature that everyone is talking about. That's all for today's video about the latest WhatsApp feature that lets you link your account to another Android device. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech-related videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.